the attention of this House to the fear and anxiety among the sports lovers of Welling constituency due to the incomplete and neglected sports facilities. At Todekanta Welling, the stadium was constructed at a cost of 18 crores with a seating capacity of 5,000 people, equipped with a 4 players dressing rooms, a canteen, conference room, water pump facilities, proper illumination and parking. Yet, despite this massive investment, the ground itself has remained incomplete for the last 10 years. Similarly, the ground at Asolna is in a deplorable condition with a collapsed compound wall, lack of maintenance and damaged dressing rooms. This facility requires urgent repair and upkeep. Further, the ongoing construction of ground at Sanzadi RL is 90% complete in its first phase, but the work order for second phase of laying grass turf is still pending. In addition, the people of Digarpali and Salzara require better facility at the existing ground, which has been neglected and does not meet the needs of local players and sports enthusiasts. Honorable Speaker, these facilities embody the hopes and aspirations of our youth and sports lovers. I therefore urge the Honorable Sports Minister to immediately intervene, complete the pending work, upgrade existing ground and restore these facilities to their intended purpose so that Welling constituency can nurture talent and uphold Goa's proud sporting tradition.
आमदारांच्या जो विषय मांडला ताजे हांव नोट केल्लो आसा त्याचबरोबर म्हणजे टॅक्निकल टीम धाडटा आनी किती गरज असते पळय
इतली इन्व्हेस्टमेंट गेला पण अजून पासून ते स्टार्ट जायना आता रिपेअर आयला सगळे
टॅक्निकल टीम धाडटा आनी इमिडिएट आमी इन्स्पेक्ट करूया.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.